Good morning and welcome with Practicing Yoga with me. I'm Lina. I'm going to take you through a morning routine to detox and de-stress. And you don't need any props. So let's get started. Just come standing at the top of your mat and we're going to do lots of deep breathing because deep breathing allows us to detox our bodies, breathing out carbon dioxide, and we're going to do deep breathing so we're oxygenating our whole bodies so we're going to feel energized and ready for the day. So all you do is breathe in and stretch up. Take your arms wide, legs wide, and then you're going to point your foot to one corner and then the other foot slightly, and you're just going to breathe in deep and breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you come up. Breathe out as you come down. Deep breaths. Breathe in as you come up. Breathe out as you come down. Now stretch. And then you're just going to come into reverse. And as you stretch, you're going to take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, you're either going to come here or you're going to come to the floor. Just do what feels comfortable. So you might be here, you might be here, and stretching and breathing deeply. One deep breath in. As you breathe out, come back up. Right. Now we're going to bring our feet to the center and we're going to bring it over to the other side. Stretching our arms out, breathing in as your arms come up, breathing out as your arms come down. Deep breaths, breathing in, hands coming up, breathing out, hands coming down. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Stretching. And then just as you breathe in, coming back. And as you breathe out, you're going to come down either here or to the floor, whatever works. Nice deep breath in. Breathing out, breathe in. And come up slowly, straighten that leg. Bringing your feet together now, you're just going to bringing your hands to your knees. And as you breathe in, deep breath in, you're going to look up. And as you breathe out, you're going to curve your spine. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more deep breath in. And breathe out. And then you're just going to come down and you're just going to hang. And you're just going to breathe here. Real deep breaths. Deep breaths can be energizing and calming, detoxing, de-stressing. Breathing deeply, nourishing your mind, your body, your spirit, really energizing and revitalizing. And then coming onto the floor. Now, bringing your feet to the floor, stretching your toes. Our toes sometimes get neglected, right? So we want to stretch them. If that's too much, you can come up like this, you can come back down, or even do this cross-legged, whatever works for you. So again, what we're going to do is we're just going to shake our hands, move our elbows, roll our shoulders one way, and roll our shoulders the other way. And then we're going to just do seated cat and cow again, breathing in opening up our hearts and our throats, breathing out, just curving our spine like a cat waking up. Breathing in, opening up our throat, our hearts. Breathing out, curving our spine. And one more time, breathing in, looking up, curving your spine, and breathing out, curving your spine inwards, feeling a beautiful stretch. By this time, you've stretched your fingers and your toes. And just coming into a child's pose, just feeling a wonderful stretch here. Might even want to bring your hands in prayer, stretching your arms. One nice deep breath in. And breathe out. And then coming up to seated. So thank you so much for doing this morning practice with me, this practice to detox and de-stress. I hope you're feeling good, feeling energized, ready for your day. Leave a comment down below and let me know how this went for you. Subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube and share with somebody who you might think would benefit. And so I look forward to seeing you on the mat again. And until next time, namaste.